Our guest here today, we have Mickey, the director of Japan Homes. And the chosen 5 participants are from the clients of Japan Homes. Why Japan Homes are unique? There are 5 answers.
Mickey, the director, is very unique.
So, how is he so different?
The site is always nice and tidy, keeps everyone in the loop with updated information.
Messy site with materials and tools everywhere, even rubbish. This is how Japan Homes will take care of these matters. Japan Homes principle is nice and tidy on site all times. And we get inspired with lots of new great ideas when working in nice and tidy, organized place.
There are 4 answers left.
Japan Homes principles honest, keep promise and trust.
Always come on time to all the meetings. Keep promise and complete with our actions. They will not promise things that we cannot do, but we will do our best. And they make full payments to our subcontractors as we agreed.
3 more to go.
The staff members' characteristics are unique, that's what makes them special.
The completion of the house is outstanding and beautiful into details.
Japan Homes check and find new or same issues every day. We use our own quality management checklist. We make sure that all the quality is in line to control. And we want to deliver the best for you.
2 more answers to go.
All the Japan Homes staff work with exceptional professionalism, they work along with their business partners.
They take responsibilities in our own hands. Our goal is to create the most productive and efficient work environment for everyone. They will find the way to resolve the issues in our hands. They share the project progress and plans with all parties involved in the project, keeping up with the great teamwork.
This is the true professionalism of Japanese, we admire the most.
Finally,
Aftercare service is great, they look after us even after the completion.
Japan Homes offer a free annual house check and give advice even after 10 years. They value communication with clients and care from their heart.
this is why we choose Japan Homes. Nice and tidy, keep promise, high standard quality control. Responsibility and cooperation maintenance.
We have to make more people happy in the future.
Japan Homes offer you comfortable and affordable houses. We build the great further with you together.